Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 211. Ray Smith, a bankrupt. T.B. Gill asked, Dear Sir, the action brought by the official receiver to test the validity of the bill of sale given to you by Mr. Smith came on for trial today in the Queen's Bench Division of the High Court of Justice before Mr. Justice Wright. I regret to say that the learned judge, after hearing the arguments on both sides, decided against you on the ground that the document is not in accordance with the form prescribed by the Act of Parliament relating to bills of sale. You will remember that I have many times pointed out to you that the Bills of Sale Act is so obscurely worded that great numbers of bills of sale prepared by the most eminent conveyancers have been set aside on the same ground. It is open to you to carry the matter to the Court of Appeal, but I do not advise that course. Yours truly. Full stop.